Hello from Slovenia again. I will do an experiment today with this split cup that I got from paintpourstore.com. You will find link into the description box if you are interested to have one maybe. And I have this paint left from the reverse flower dip from my last video that I did with one of those cups that you can buy, double-decker cup that I bought on the Paint Pour store also. No, I didn't bought it. Chris sent it to me, sorry. But I did bought some too, so doesn't matter. So first color was sorry, a little distracted today. Azo Yellow Light, Amsterdam, and this one is the second one was Azo Orange, and this one is Cadmium Red Middle, and this one is Cobalt Violet. I will put all the colors into the description box of my video too, so you can check them there. Sorry. Two. And this is navy blue. I'm just pouring one color in one chamber. It has 6 chambers, this one, and this one is iridescent green blue. And what I will try today, just think that I have a little less of this purple. I will pour a puddle of my pearl white mixture. How I mix my pearl white, you will find link to my mixing paints video too in the description box, because I was thinking maybe it could look nice if I will get some pearl cells, maybe not just those straight sharp lines, and if it will not work, I can still work out good. I can still maybe wreck it with the marble or something. So this was my pearl white, and now I will not talk while I'm doing this. happened what I didn't mean to do. So let's see if we can camouflage this a little bit. It's hard to catch this drip just the right way, right time. Okay. You have a glare. Just a second. Is this better? Yes, sorry. Try to take you in a little bit. See how beautiful this middle is. So, and I will tilt it a little bit at first. I see a blob of paint in there, so I will just take it out. Just a second. But it will not, probably this will tilt off, so, and I still have some paint that I can use for some coaster or something. Just, I don't know about this part. Let's spin this and see where this will go. Tilt this a little bit off because I don't like that part back. Down. But still want those yellow wispy things here. Sorry if I was off camera. I will spin it more because I want to see if some pearl cells will came through. So obviously I will have to tilt this part off. Maybe this part here. Let's tilt this one off. Oop. So let's do it like that. I'll just go with this yellow on the corner, on the side, so I have to say. Okay, a little down. And back. I'm a little, obviously a little distressed today. I was off camera probably when I did this, so sorry guys. But sometimes this happened too. And probably I had too much paint because I didn't get a lot of those pearly cells out. Maybe I will get some, but I don't even know if I like them now. Maybe it would be better that they wouldn't be there. But now it is what it is. So weird. Let's give it one more spin. Even more weird. Kind of, you know, they are not pearly cells, they are kind of, I don't know what. But anyway, I will leave it. It's kind of interesting painting, so I will leave it like it is. Love those colors here, but maybe I should even do a ring pours all the way till the end, because just feel that there is a little too much yellow here. I don't know, just thinking maybe just one more spin, because I don't like this weird thing here. Let's do it once more. And it didn't go away, so I will leave it. Love-hate relationship again. So let me take you down just a second. And now you have a glare again. Oh, I hate this, so maybe I can do it like this, but I like this orientation probably the most. So I will try to show it to you like this. So here was my rings, and I think that I should do the rings here, but this part here with the blue and purple and red is just beautiful. So, and some pearl cells. I really don't think that should even, maybe I should spin it once more just to spin this part off. I don't know. Or I will leave it like it is. So, and I don't like how these black dots, not black, there is no black, dark dots popping through the yellow. So obviously my pearl white mixture is not good, or maybe I should thin down my paints probably way more and add less of these colors in the split cup. But anyway, not so bad. So this is it for today. Love and hate, as I said, but I will leave it to dry. Maybe it will grow to me. So see you on the next one. Bye.